In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to calculate a product quickly and confidently using the same simple method every time. Start by opening your spreadsheet and deciding where you want the answer to appear. Click an empty cell to select it. In Google Sheets, any calculation begins with the equals sign, so type the equals sign now. This tells Sheets you're entering a formula, not just text. You'll see the equals sign both in the cell and in the formula bar at the top, which is helpful for keeping track of what you're doing. Next, point Sheets to the numbers you want to multiply. Click the cell that contains your first number. You'll see its cell reference appear, like A1, right after the equals sign. Now type the asterisk, which is the multiplication operator in spreadsheets. It's the star symbol on your keyboard. Avoid using the letter X. That won't work in formulas. After the asterisk, click the cell with your second number. Your formula should now look like a simple expression. First cell, asterisk, second cell. You can also type numbers directly if you prefer, for example, equal 5.8. But clicking the cells is great because it keeps the formula connected to your data, so if the numbers change, the result updates automatically. When your formula looks right, press Enter. Sheets instantly calculates the total, and the result appears in the cell you selected. Even though you now see a number, the formula is still there behind the scenes. Click the cell and check the formula bar to confirm that your multiplication expression is intact. If you ever see the formula displayed as plain text instead of a result, double-check that you started with the equals sign and that you used the asterisk as the operator. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. If you need to multiply more than two values, you can keep using the asterisk in the same formula, like A1, B1, C1. If the result looks off, make sure the cells you clicked actually contain numbers and not text that looks like numbers. Formatting or stray spaces can cause issues. And if you want to reuse the same pattern down a column or across a row, enter the formula once, then copy it or drag the small square at the corner of the cell to fill adjacent cells. That's it. Click an empty cell and type the equals sign, click your first number, add the asterisk, click your second number, and press Enter to see the total. Simple, reliable, and fast.